Hey everybody, I had a little cutter and I bought the wrong type of disc for the cutter, the wrong type of cutting wheel. So you see the circle in the middle? Okay, well that's round. Now my cutter has this right there where it sits, it's kind of oval, it's flat on either side. So it wouldn't work and it started spinning. Earlier I had a small rubber band or tube. I had wrapped it around there and then tightened down the cutting wheel and it worked perfectly. So that wore out. And so I just want to show you, if you get a piece of rubber and do this, it's going to work. And by the way, I'm not telling you to do this. This is what I had to do so that wheel will stay on and I could do my work and it worked. So, all right, y'all, have a good one.